In this video, we are going to see that if we have a lot of videos and we want to pause all comments for all of the YouTube videos, here's how you can do it. First of all, let's head over to the profile icon and click on the YouTube Studio. From here, head over to the content and we can see we have a lot of videos. So if we open each single one of them and we scroll down, click on show more, and we head over to the comment section and we turn the comments off, or we pause the comments basically, it will take a lot of time. But what we will do is, from the content main section, we select the video from here. This is a select all option, but as soon as we click, it says 30 selected because the maximum capacity on this particular page is 30. We click on select all and it will select all of the videos. After that, whatever change you want to make, we edit this, click on edit, click on the comments. After that, if you want to turn off or pause all the comments for all the videos, you just pause it from here, click on update videos. It will ask you again, are you sure you're about to update the selected videos? This update cannot be stopped once it has started. So it might take some time. Make sure this is what you want to do. I understand the implication of this action. Click on update videos, and depending on the videos you have, it will bulk update with the required settings. So it might take some time. And as you can see, 188 videos successfully updated. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.